Hello, people. You're welcome back to the channel. It's your one and only Lady Jackson bringing you this entertainment update on the bbnaija show as the day hot. Oh my God, so it's been back-to-back updates, and I wouldn't stop until the D-Day on Sunday arrives, and I'm bringing you all that is meant to be as a day hot. Now, of course, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and watch this video till the end. Now, a lot of people have been blasting Tacha for being disrespectful and rude to the multi-choice DSTV bbnaija franchise after she made a comment to their post, I think on Twitter, or was it on Instagram? One of them, Sha. Now, they posted that some of your faves didn't really have a chance before, but here is a second chance. Now, the second chance post. But then she made a comment, and girl needs to tell them that she is saucy as hell. So Tacha made a comment saying, second chances call El Salvador ni. I'm like, girl, it is the shade. Now, this only points to one thing for me. It is either that they rejected her demand for 20 million naira instead of the 10 million naira that everybody was given, or that she's just being shady to create attention for the fact that she's already in the show. However, we're expecting any and every of the disqualified housemates to be back on the show. Now, aside that, there has been a reason for a girl winning and a guy being the first runner up, or a guy winning and a girl being the first runner up. And in this particular point, I'm just going to see and point out those who won and who were the follow-ups and whom to expect amongst them in the show this season. Now, according to history, every bbnaija finalist has this particular rating, right? In 2017, Efe won, and Bisola was the first runner-up. In 2018, Miracle won, and CeeC was the first runner-up. In 2019, Mercy won, and Mike was the first runner-up. In 2020, Lincoln won, and the first runner-up was Dorothy. In 2021, White Money was the winner, and Liquorose was the first runner-up. And then in 2022, Phyna won, and Bryan was the first runner-up. So now, as expected, we're just going to speculate. Now, amongst this housemates, who do we think is strong enough, interesting enough to be back on the show? Now, I wouldn't necessarily state it, but I want you to go in the comment section and give us your opinion, because we cannot wait to see your actual predictions getting to win to be on the show. Now, on this particular update, I'm still adding to reiterate to you guys, I feel there is a mistake, but it's either there's a mistake or Big Brother Naija has changed their channel on GoTV. Now, according to their latest update, the channel for you to watch the show 247 for the number of days it's going to air still remains channel 198 on DSTV. It might be different channels in different African countries that are permitted, about 49 countries. But for that of GoTV, we've gotten used to the fact that it was channel 29. In fact, in the previous announcements, it was channel 29. But in the recent announcement from D4 yesterday, it's been channel 49. This only probably means one thing, that they've changed it and people have to go for the premium package for subscription on GoTV. So you could still do it and check 49, 29, 2 and 6. It should air mostly on one of that channel. So that is it. Now, of course, many changes have been done. There might not be head of house challenge anymore. There might not be a whole lot of things, and there just been new changes, and I'm just going to reiterate it for you guys on this particular same update. And now for the show, which starts on the 23rd, this Sunday by 7 p.m. It's going to launch from Monday, which will be the first full day. It's going to start with a weekly routine of these. Instead of the head of house challenge, it's going to be black envelope challenge on Mondays by 7 p.m. Formerly, it was head of house challenge, and it's usually by 5:30 or 6 p.m. Now, diary sessions will be Tuesdays and Wednesdays from 1 p.m. to whenever it ends, and then tax and presentations. This will run from Tuesdays to Saturdays, not Tuesday and Saturday. Thanks to the subscriber who corrected me on this yesterday. It's going to run from Tuesdays to Saturdays by 4 p.m. So there'll be daily activities. And that's a good thing instead of too much relaxing around. By 4 p.m. Now, 4 p.m. to maybe 7 p.m. or 6 p.m. We don't know. Then the pool party and grill will be on Thursdays at 8 p.m. And then, of course, the Saturday night rave will be by 9 p.m., which was formerly by 7 p.m. Saturday night live party. And then the live eviction shows would be on Sundays, I think by 8 p.m. thereabout, and it's going to run till whenever it ends. And that's particularly what's going to be happening every week. And I'm going to be bringing you all the details as it is hot, of course. Now, there are fresh new challenges on the show, and this is how it's going to be. It is called the Biggieverse Tournament, which will assemble the housemates from each season against each other, pepper them against the Shinier Eye season, and we're just going to see them go at loggerhead. I'm expecting that the prize money for this should be running between $1,000 to $2,000 for each of them. There would be the lockdown season against the Double Wahala season. They're going to bring their best players to get to, I think there should be a betting show on this particular game. Like, people should be able to bet, like viewers from home should be able to bet for who wins, and then they make money from it. And then of course, on to the next one, we'll have the CeeC season. That is the first, if I'm not mistaken, versus the last season. Now, the first season that it started getting serious down to the last season, which was just last year. I'm expecting a huge, intensive, interesting fight between these housemates. Now, aside that, another update is the fact that I really don't know if it's really going to be channel 29 for GoTV, but check it out. I know 29, 49, 2 or 6, and then for DSTV channel 198 is sure, or you could check 151, 153. It might air on any of those, or the channel that I aired when they shared the housemates last season into 2 houses. Now, if you refresh your subscription, you should see that the screen is already available pending when the show starts on Sunday. So it's going to be a whole lot of crazy, interesting, drama, chaotic. It's just going to be amazing, and I cannot wait to start bringing you the updates. Please, again, don't forget to watch the videos to the end. I'm going to be bringing you the updates now. It's either a Magic Showcase, African Magic Urban, or African Magic Family. Now, for other people who are not in Africa, if you're in the UK, Ireland, if you're in Australia, if you're in the US, you should be able to watch the show by downloading the My DSTV app. You can subscribe and you can watch it, or you download the Showmax app and subscribe, and you're going to watch it 247 on your smart TV, on your phone or your tablet or your laptop. Now, aside that, GoTV 329 channel would be airing the Big Brother Naija show for Ugandans, and then for the same Ugandans, you can watch it on DSTV channel 198, and that should just be how the show should go. Any other updates that should come up, I'm going to bring it to your screens. Now, guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button beside for notification on every post I make. Don't forget to comment down below, and also share this video, because I'm going to see you on the next one.
Legends go head to head as timelines have collapsed for the ultimate showdown. Welcome to Big Brother Naija All Stars.
With you again for